Okay, rearrange equations now. It says here we need to make y the subject. Now, we've got a square root, we need to get rid of that. So I'll need to square both sides. Gives me r squared. Opposite of square root, when you squared, x squared plus y squared. Getting closer already. We want to get rid of the x squared. Subtract that from the other side. Very, very close. So now let's get y equals, now if we square root this side, I've got r squared minus x squared. And just to be extra careful, remember, when you square root, you get plus or minus. This one, now we need to make r the subject. Now it is encased in all sorts of things here. It's at the bottom of a fraction, and it's also inside a bracket. I'm going to expand this just to help us out here, but there are other ways. So we've got x squared over r squared. Now it's still a denominator, I need to move that up. Now you could flip them and get quicker here, but I want to show you the long way. So we've got r squared over t, and we'll multiply by 2, so 2x squared, much closer. R, we need to get rid of the t, so we'll divide by t, very close. And now we need to do the opposite of squaring, square root in again. So let's have a look. Square root of all of this, 2x squared over t. And what do we need to remember to do? Plus or minus. Okay, the last one here, we've got a problem. 2 s's. How can you get one on its own if there's 2 of them? Factorise. So let's do that. Now, if I take an s out of both, I get 3 plus 6t. Now, don't worry about factorising it any further with the 3 because you want s on its own anyway. So let's not make this more difficult. So if I divide, now I've got s there, if I divide by this expression, tw divided by 3 plus 6t, finished.